Hi guys, it's BRaditech. In this JavaScript tutorial we are going to be looking at functions. So what are functions? Well, functions are a piece of JavaScript that can only be executed if they've been told to be executed, well, manually executed. So say if I wanted to be a function to be executed when the body was loaded, I would put onLoad equals function, or the name of the function, and then 2 brackets. So let's write out a function and then let's learn how to execute it. So let's do a really simple one at the moment. So let's go into our JS library, make sure we've got our script including our page, and let's write out a function. So let's move that back. Let's put function. So we're saying that we're writing out a function. Let's put my first function, and then 2 curlies to this is what the code inside my first function will be executed. So let's just put alert. Let's just put function executed. So that means we basically ran the function. So let's save that. So now we've got our first function. Go back to index. Let's create a button. So input type equals button value equals, I'm going to say run function, and on click equals, what do we call it? My first function, right? My first function. And now we've got that. Oh, don't forget the curly brackets, because that's, we're basically launching a function there. So once we've done that, we can click it and it will run this function here. So let's go and run index.html. So I click it and it's executed our function as it said it there. So it's really good how we can have a bit of JavaScript that we can run manually or when an event happens. So this is event driven rather than automatically running. So if I took away this function here and that there, saved that, went back, refresh the page, it automatically executed, and if I click it doesn't do anything. So that is how we can do functions. Another thing we can do with functions is pass values into the function. So let's just say a, b, or specified by commas, a, b. So let's just say name and surname to make it more understandable. So in this function we're getting the name and the surname of someone. So and then we're going to do something with it. So let's just say alert, your name is plus name plus. So we can use values in passed through functions to write out or to use in a function. So let's try that out. So my first function, then we put it inside here. So I put Bradley gun. So let's try that out. Save that. Go back to index. Yeah. So what I've done here is I've said Bradley and gun. So we pass these two values into the function, and it's called these two. It's expected 2 values to come in here, and then it's used them in the alert to write out. So that is how we can do arguments with functions. So this is just a basic function tutorial. We will look more advanced later in the series. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, then please keep watching. Thanks very much, BRaditech.